You found them. Now, the hardest part, the first message, which frequently determines whether you get a relationship or a closed door. Lead with who you are and how you are connected, immediately and plainly. A message that opens with mystery reads like a scam, and most people delete it. Say your name, the connection, and why you are reaching out in the first two sentences. Write, "Do not call." A letter or a message gives the person time to absorb something that may be genuinely shocking, and time is a kindness when you are the one who has had months to prepare and they have had none. Keep it short. Explicitly give them an exit. Say that you understand if they would rather not respond, and mean it. Do not include everything you want to say. You are asking for permission to have a conversation, not having it. And do not contact their relatives, employer, or spouse first, which almost always backfires. Then wait without a second message. If this was useful, please like this video and subscribe. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com.